How to test servo motor using Arduino Uno. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Testing a servo motor using Arduino is a straightforward process. So the very first step would be gathering the components. You will need an Arduino Uno board, a servo motor, jumper wires, and a power source. It could be USB cable connected to your computer or separate power supply. Once this is done, you need to connect the servo to Arduino, which is usually a single wire, to one of the digital pins on the Arduino Uno, example pin 9. Then after, connect the servo power's wire, usually red, to the 5V pin on the Arduino. Then connect the servo's ground wire to any of the GND pins on the Arduino. Now comes the step on the Arduino IDE. Open the Arduino IDE on your computer, go to File section and then on Examples. Thereby, for any board, search on Servo and then select on Sweep. This will now open a sample code for sweeping the servo back and forth. Then after, you have to verify the code from the sketch section. Then upload the code to your Arduino Uno board. The servo motor now should start sweeping back and forth. If it does not work, double check your connection and make sure the servo is receiving the power. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.